Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2010 BMW K1300GT. I'm going to grab the camera and have a good close look around the bike for you. Okay, let's get a close look at this BMW. It is in a dark blue. It is HPI clear. Does come with a manual and the service history. It's also got a spare key with it as well, and spare fob. So we'll start at the front and get a good look all the way around it. Try and point out as much as I can that's on the bike, because it is fully loaded, this one. So the screen on the front, that is a power screen, so got a button on the bars. That electronically moves that up and down. It's also got ABS on it. It does have the ABS with the ESA adjustable suspension modes on there. It does also have cruise control. It does have the tyre pressure monitors as well. Get a good look over all the plastics. It is low mileage as well for its year, this one. You can see by the condition of it, it is in really good condition. It does have the main stand as well as the side stand that it's on. It's also got the matching BMW luggage on it. So let's get a look across the top of the seat. As you can see, there's a switch there for the heated seat. It does have heated seat and heated grips on this one. Let's get a look over the top of the tank. You also see it's got a sat nav with it as well. So let's get a look over the top of the box. We'll get a look at the back. We'll move round to the right hand side. Just move the bars round so we can have a look at the tank. See it fully there. Let's get a look all over the fairing from this right hand side. Looking at the engine there. Let's get a look lower down. Get a look at the exhaust. Get a look at the back wheel. Get a look and see the brake pads there. And we'll finish up at the front on this right hand side. Let's get a look, see if we can see it at the pads. And what we'll do, we'll go up, take a look at the dash and the controls, and we'll get the exact mileage off it. Okay, let's have a look up at the controls. So your front brake, your throttle, and your starter and kill switch there. And then also on this side you've got the button for the heated grips and the button for the heated seats. It's also got the button on the back for the heated seat as well. Then over to the other side, you've got your lights, your info button. These are your controls for your cruise control. You've got your ESA button on there for your suspension. That is your electronic button that sends your screen up and down. You've got your indicators and your horn. So what we'll do, we'll turn the ignition on. Let's get a look at the mileage. And it is low mileage for its year. It's done 13,725 miles. Okay, let's start this up, listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see in a close-up, we can do that for you and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.